Yes, people, I'm back with another video. And as you can tell by the title, we'll talk about why trading break and retest will make you profitable. For you to be a profitable trader, you got to have a simple and easy, repeatable strategy that you can always use and that works in all market conditions. So you can't have you can't have a strategy that works only in a trending market environment, but doesn't work in a ranging market environment. Because a lot of the time these markets are not trending, a lot of the times they are ranging. So what happens when you're having a long periods of ranging markets throughout a lot of different pairs? What are you going to do? You have no trades because you can't trade at all because your strategy only works for trending markets. So what you need is a strategy that works through all market conditions, period. And with the break and retest strategy, you can use it through all market periods, whether price is bullish, bearish, or ranging. And I can simply show you a trade I had last week that a lot of my group saw me take as well, that just blew and just went crazy. It was on GBP US dollar. So let's go and go in the charts right now. So like I said, you want to have a strategy that works through all market conditions. You want to have it working through bullish, bearish, and ranging. So as you know, the break and retest, using that strategy, all you're doing, you are following the trend. So it obviously works in the bullish and bearish market condition. Because when you're in a bullish market condition, all you're doing is getting in on the break and the retest, break, retest, break, retest. So by default, the break and retest strategy is you're following the trend. Do you know what I mean? So you are getting in on the capitalizing when it's trending. By default, that's what it is, because you're waiting for the break and retest. And what is the break and retest? Essentially, it's the higher high and higher low, and you're always getting in on the higher low. And then obviously the same for when the market is bearish, you're getting in on the lower lows and lower highs, or just the opposite. And that's literally what the break and retest strategy is. But what a lot of people don't know is you can actually trade it during ranging markets as well. And I show people in my group just how to do that. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So GBP US dollar price on this for since September now. We're now going into November. We're beginning of November now, 5th of November. Since September the 27th, we've been ranging on GBP US dollar. So as you can see, let's add the top of the range here, and then we've got the bottom of the range here. So this is the range high, range low. That's the from the messages I've been getting, I know a lot of viewers are still struggling with their trading. If you want to talk to me about trading, become a profitable trader, learn how to pass funded challenges and get payouts, click the link in the bio to join the Discord community. Make sure to use the code billionaire for 50% off your first 2 months. Resistance, that's support, yeah? Simple like that. You can, if you want to, so you can see the taps, that would be the fake out. So that's, we don't care about that. That's a fake out. That's a fake out. That's what I see that as. And then obviously you can see numerous taps, fake out again, numerous taps of level until obviously we've now broken out. And let me show you exactly what I saw. Let's see if we just remove that. Exactly what I saw for me to capitalize off this beautiful and huge bullish move just there. So obviously doing my analysis and knowing that we are in a ranging market, I marked out the highs and the lows of the range. I've got a nice entry technique that I use on ranging markets, and obviously if you want to know that, join the group. Can't be giving away the source for free, but we know, if you're in the group, you know we've got a nice entry technique that we use for ranging markets where you can capitalize and get in. So obviously break and retest, we always enter off break and retest. So it's a simple break and retest of a level that we saw formed here. We had a nice break and retest. I enter off the 1 hour, so I got in on my entries, my stops were below the low, and then we entered for the top of the range. And why we entered for the top of the range, we didn't know that price was going to break out. So when price is ranging, you don't know whether the price is going to break out of that range or hold into that range. Yeah. So I always tell people, especially my students, aim for the top of the range. You don't want to be aiming for outside the range and in anticipation that the range is going to break, because you don't know for sure if the range is going to break. You want to trade what you see, not trade what you think. Yeah. So we just trade into the top of the range, and then we got out for it was like a nice 4R for that trade. Obviously, price ran up to there. Could have been like a 6, 8R, whatever it was when I was looking at the charts. But do we care? No. And why don't we care? Because we followed our strategy, which is 1, and aim for the top of the range, and 2, we made money on the trade. So do you know what I mean? You're not gonna catch. You don't need to catch the whole move to be profitable. A lot of the time, even when you're trading a break and retest and you're entering in trended conditions, let's say you get in on a break and retest, you get in, let's say, boom, break and retest, getting higher low, and then you aim for your target, which is resistance to our left. Price may well blow past that strongly, but as long as you followed your strategy and you made profit, why do you care? Do you know what I mean? You should never be scared to leave money on the table, because essentially you're going to do it. You can't catch every move. You can't squeeze every pip out of the move all the time. Do you know what I mean? So just follow your strategy and give trading the break and retest a go, because you'll see it always happens on the chart, which is a good thing. You can trade it any time frame. Me, I just prefer to trade it on the 4-hour because it's not too fast, it's not too slow. It gives me that sweet spot of being able to get trades each week, and not when you trade lower time frames, for me personally anyway, like you can over trade because it obviously gives a lot of setups. So yeah, but that's just me. Yeah, I hope you learned from this video. You see why trading the break and retest strategy works in all market conditions and how you can trade it. If you want to see more of how I trade it, you can obviously join the group or whatever, or you can just alternatively watch these free videos I give out on YouTube and then obviously try to learn from there. But yeah, that's me out. From the messages I've been getting, I know a lot of viewers are still struggling with their trading. If you want to talk to me about trading, become a profitable trader, learn how to pass funded challenges and get payouts, click the link in the bio to join the Discord community. Make sure to use the code Billionaire for 50% off your first 2 months.